Alright guys, I'm gonna record this from my hotel room. I'm in Barcelona. This is beautiful Barcelona. And I love this city, the vibe, the people, the food. It's just awesome. Alright guys, good morning. This is Andrew. I'm gonna do a quick recap. I'm on the road. I'm in Barcelona right now. Yeah, sorry, I had some microphone issue this morning that I couldn't really work the chat, but I did trade AMD and Bed Bath & Beyond, both of them stock in play, and they had news in the pre-market. So what I did at the open, I tried to short Bed Bath & Beyond. It didn't work out. I got a squeeze, and then I tried to go long AMD, and it works really well. And as you see, I'm actually going on AMD. It's now pulling back at the revap. We'll see how it goes. So, but let me go through the trades that I did. So AMD opened really strong. It was gapping up in the pre-market for the news at 9 a.m. There's a news came in, popped up, do a really nice opening, 1 minute opening range break up, and after that 1 minute opening range break up on a pullback, I added 102.46. So many people in the chat room, they got that. Popped up all the way up to 103. On the pullback, I added more. I added more here at 103 and went all the way up to 104.44 high after that. I got almost out. So now it's pulling back at the VWAP. There could be a potential here for an add for another move up, because I don't see, unless something crazy happens, I don't see that this one goes down, loses the VWAP. It might chop around here or go up. So might be a potential add in that, but I'm almost out of it. My entry is at 102.94 right now. Bed Bath & Beyond was interesting. This one was gapping down for bad news, and at the open, what I did was, this was a really perfect, rising level. So it could have been a really nice short here, just below the VWAP. I did short it at around 1610. Although I really shouldn't have shorting it, because it was, seemed that it become like a 1 minute opening range breakup. It did drop. I covered some. I added some more here too for the break of this 1572, but really quick pop up and I got a squeeze. So not only I gave the profit that I made here back, but also I kind of, closed negative on this trade. Did popped up. I flipped my position. This is the last stop out. I flipped my position for a long that maybe we're squeezing above the VWAP, but I really didn't like it, the fact that it's just too extended and it's a weak stock, and I really didn't like the price action. So as you see here, I quickly got out of my position on, no, not this one, on the long. So the close position here. So as you see, on the long, I quickly covered. Short, I lost money. The AMD was the best trade for me. And yeah, so I'm closing that. I'm in Barcelona today and tomorrow. I'm going to go to, there's a race on Saturday. I'm going to do the race. And then after that, I'm heading to Portugal for some sightseeing and see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah.